Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Zoho for beginners. Zoho is a cloud-based suite for the apps for businesses, productivity and personal use. It includes the email, CRM, customer relationship management, project management, office apps, docs, sheets, writer, finance, and it's like a one platform for work and organization. In order to use Zoho for beginners, what you can do is you can open to your web browser over here, and once you reach into this interface of your web browser, in the top there's an address bar. Type down zoho.com and enter it. And once you get into this Zoho interface, make sure to log into your account if you already have not so. And what you can do is you can navigate to the Zoho. Once logged in, you'll see this Zoho dashboard. Here's what beginners should know: top menu. You can also access to your apps over here. Select to this access your apps. Over here you can find to this mail, CRM, products, customer, partners. Select to this mail here. Then you can select to this access Zoho mail. Over here what you can do is you need to enter your password. And after that, select to this confirm password here. Over here you can compose an email using this mail, organize emails, use calendars integration to schedule meeting, and you can go back and you can find to the CRM here. Over here what you can do is it add leads, potential clients and contacts, track deals and follow up with automated reminders. You can use the dashboard to see the sales progress as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.